Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, your new lock set, and a measuring tape. It's crucial to understand your current lock type, whether it's a cylindrical, mortise, or rim lock. Before purchasing, measure your door's backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the bore hole. This ensures your new lock will fit perfectly. Now, let's remove the old lock. Begin by locating the 2 or 3 mounting screws on the interior side of your doorknob or lever. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior halves of the lock set. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door. Sometimes, there are additional screws holding the latch in place, so be sure to check for those. With the old lock removed, it's time to install your new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the bevel faces the door frame. Next, position the exterior half of the new lock set, aligning its spindle with the latch. Then, attach the interior half, ensuring the mounting posts align. Secure everything tightly with the provided mounting screws, but avoid over-tightening them. Finally, let's test your newly installed lock. Turn the doorknob or lever several times to ensure smooth operation. Insert your key and test both locking and unlocking from inside and outside. Check that the deadbolt or latch extends fully and retracts without resistance. Make any minor adjustments to the mounting screws if needed, ensuring everything is snug and secure for optimal performance and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.